Sometime your wallet is hacked or going to hacked. So before going to this, so you must move your asset to new wallets. So in this video, I am giving to proper information. If you have cryptocurrency in your trust wallet and you want to move to other wallets, so how can you do? So please must watch this video till end. Before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get the more information about cryptocurrency, so simple, go to my YouTube channel and click on playlist button. So viewers, you can see a right top corner, I have installed already my trust wallet. I am going to enter my password here because today we are going to discuss how we can move over crypto to other wallet. Simple, click on unlock. Now going to click on full screen and close this. Now you can see here trust wallet is open, fully open in front of me. I hope you properly view this wallet and main interface. So today we are going to move over assets to new wallets. So how can you do? Let's suppose you have a balance. This video is only for education purpose, so that this wallet is only demonstration purpose, so that there is not any balance. But if you have a balance, so you can use same scenario, which is I'm going to tell you in this video. Okay, now main interface is open in front of me, and let's suppose I want to transfer my all fund to new wallet. So what will I do? Right top corner, you just simple click on setting button, and then the second option available here, security. You just simple click on security button, and now you can see here biometric login with, if you have already, when you was create account, if you click on biometric, so you just simple click on it. But when I have create account, so I just use password or secret phrases, so that I'm going to click on second option, move assets to new wallet. Click on it. Then you can see here there's 3 wallets available here. Let's suppose you have a balance in 2 wallets. So how can you move your assets to other wallet? Simple is that you just go to the click on this wallet like me, and you can see here create a new wallet. No wallet found. To safely move your fund, create a new wallet. So I need to create a new wallet if I want to migrate my cryptocurrency to new wallet. Simple click on new wallet, then waiting for this. Now you can see here migration wallet. I have created a migration wallet. This is my new wallet. Going to click on continue, and you can see Farooq Trust wallet. So going to deposit amount, simple click on it if you have a balance in your wallet. Now you can see here all assets in shown in front of you. Let's suppose you want to deposit Bitcoin. Simple click on it and copy, or you can directly deposit from Coinbase or directly deposit from Binance. It depends on you. Okay, this is so simple and easy. If I'm click on Binance, so there's 2 options available here. If you have installed in your system or your mobile, your Android mobile or your Apple mobile, you can choose from this option. Now I'm going to click on back button, and again click on setting, security, move fund, and you can see here I have create one more account, which is a migration wallet. Before going to migrate any in this cryptocurrency, you must take the back of these wallets. So how can you do? Simple is that click on this right top corner and then manage wallet. So you can see here migration wallet is available here. Simple click on it. Before going to migrate your any cryptocurrency, so you must take the backup. I'm going to click on show button and now enter the password here. Click on submit. After that, you can see here my seed phrase is shown in front of me. So I will open my notepad file, and then all phrases will type on my notepad file. And after stop this video, I will save this secret phrases in my safe place, or I will write these secret phrases in my personal diary when I want to recover, restore my account. So that's time these phrases will be help for me. So viewers, I hope properly understand how can you migrate your cryptocurrency from your trust wallet to new wallet, or you can easily send. This is so simple and easy. Now we are going to covering second topic, that is how we can change the language. So you can see it, there's still shown the message backup your secret phrases. I have not saved, but after stop this video I will save these secret phrases in my wallet or my system. Okay, now we are going to covering second type, how we can change the language from trust wallet. Yes, if you are using trust wallet, if you want to change your language according to your country, so what will you do? Simple is that you just go to the click on right top corner setting button. I have click on it, and then there is option available here. uh, yes, you can see here there's shown here language. I'm going to click on it. So by default, when you are going to install the trust wallet, so by default the language is selected English en. If you are using this wallet from any other country like Saudi Arabia, you can use Arabic, or you can use German. Means you can change your language according to your country. Let's suppose Turkish, many languages are available here. Turkish, German, French, or many Italian, Japanese, Korean, many languages is available here. So you can just simple click on this language option and okay, your trust wallet language will be changed and you can easily use. So yes, I hope you properly understand. If you migrate your cryptocurrency to new wallet, so how can you do? I have give you proper information in this video, and I also give you information in this video how to change your language from trust wallet. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you face any problem regarding deposit, withdrawal, find private key, so you just simple mail to me. My email address cryptowalletsinfo@gmail.com, and you can also comments below this video. I will read your comments and I hope I will resolve your problem. So we will meet with you in new video. Bye bye.